Hold up. What did he just say? Wait, what math did this just solve? So, I'm gonna skip through this. I just explained that Dirac took Schrodinger's equation, applied a matrix form to it to get rid of these squares, so that we would have a positive and minus solution. And what did that create? What did this equation create? This equation created a direct spiral equation for relativistic free electron. Relativistic free electron. Holy shit. The relativistic free electron, that's the solution. That's what we can solve. It makes so much sense. You know what I'm saying? This equation represents the movement of an electron through the atom's orbital. This explains how the electron moves in presence of another electromagnetic field from the atom itself. And this equation gives us what would happen if we had free electrons. And what is, anybody in the chat, what is the secret to our fusion reactors? Our field reverse configuration fusion reactors? Relativistic free electron lasers. Can that be a coincidence? There's no way that this is a coincidence. There's 0% chance. I heard him say free electron lasers. I actually cried. I cried a little. The tears came down my eyes because I went, holy shit, this is the answer. They solved the Schrodinger equation. They solved the Dirac equation. And they figured out how to use high-powered lasers to manipulate the vacuum, to make the vacuum form geometrical shapes. Because once you solve that equation, you can now control the movement of any atom and mass in our reality. You can solve the instabilities in plasma. All the plasma issues we have with instabilities in fusion solved. That's what the equation means. That's what the equations tell us. They tell us how electrons are going to move at the quantum scale. And there it is. The free electron equation. Well, yes, you can control gravity with this equation. You can control gravity. That's the craziest thing to me. You can literally control gravity. That's what they figured out. When they figured out how to manipulate free electrons, put electrons around freely, control them through four-dimensional, five-dimensional space, they've now figured out how to control gravity. That's the underlying basis for it. Right there. Electromagnetism. Hydrodynamics. Unbelievable. Okay, if you want to listen to this great video, if you want to learn more about Dirac and Schrodinger equation, the history of Heisenberg. By the way, Heisenberg was the mentor to Freiburg, the nuclear scientist in the textbook I read when you talk about Heisenberg. Werner Heisenberg was his mentor in Germany. Can't make this shit up, Chad. Cannot make this up. I wish I could make this up. I wish I could make a story this good. Okay, spin out a few minutes here. So, phase close. Plus 6, different radiation types, spin up and spin down. This spin leads to the main negative of each state, main negative, weighting opposite targets, spin back as a negative equation. Take hydrogen, which has one proton and one electron. Plus the electron, this is a proton. But if you switch to the electron, now it's not proton, it's a positive charge. That charge means negative field, the electron converts. So any of this electron goes from negative field, the electron goes from negative field, the electron is slightly different, spin up and spin down electron. So, there it is. There it is. Dr. Yu was right. Dr. Yu was right. What's the difference? Spin up and spin down. Electron literally just flip it the other way. Why does it act differently? Because the right hand rule, electrical engineering makes it act differently.